In today's news, you will come to know about Saudi's King Salman orders treatment for all, rising cases in Turkey, and the way property prices are falling immensely. Saudi Arabia's King Salman bin Abdulaziz attends via video link a virtual G20 summit on coronavirus disease in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia on March 26. Saudi Arabia's King Salman bin Abdulaziz has ordered coronavirus treatment to be available for anyone in need of medical care, including people who have overstayed their visa in the kingdom, Health Minister Tawfiq Arabia said on Monday. Arabia urged all of those showing symptoms not to hesitate in going to the hospital, whether private or public, to get tested and receive the proper care under King Salman's new order. This includes visa violators who should not legally be in the country. He emphasized the need to follow all precautionary measures to avoid contracting the virus. Saudi Arabia has tightened its restrictions on movement aimed at slowing the spread of virus in the kingdom on Sunday. Residents in Saudi Arabia are banned from entering or exiting the Jeddah governorate as of Sunday in an effort to slow the spread of the deadly coronavirus, according to a statement from the Ministry of Interior. Saudi Arabia's King Salman bin Abdulaziz said on a television address on Thursday, the government is taking all required measures to combat the virus and working to ensure that each resident and citizen is provided with medicine, food, and living necessities during this crisis. The kingdom's confirmed coronavirus cases number stood at 118 as of Sunday. What's closed and banned in Saudi Arabia? Saudi Arabia announced on Sunday a bundle of new measures to combat the spread of the coronavirus, including the closure of malls and parks, banning restaurants and cafes from serving food and beverages on their premises, as well as suspending workplace attendance at most government agencies. Suspension of attendance at workplace in all government agencies for a period of 16 days, except for health, security, and military sectors, electronic security center, and remote learning system in the education sector. Closure of closed and open commercial markets and malls, with the exception of pharmacies and food supplies, such as supermarkets, hypermarkets, and like, provided that they commit to sterilizing their shopping carts after being used by each individual client. This procedure does not include the shops located on commercial streets, provided that they are not within commercial complexes. Closures of men's barber shops and women's beauty salons. Banning of serving food and beverages in restaurants and cafes, limiting their services only to takeaway requests and delivery, and customers are not allowed to sit at the designated service tables on the premises. Banning of gathering in public places designated for recreation such as parks, beaches, resorts, camps, wild parks, and the like, stopping all auctions and auctions activities, and temporarily close their gathering sites. On the other side, in Turkey, Turkey's death from the new coronavirus increased by 37 to 168 on Monday, as the number of confirmed cases rose by 1610 to 10,827, Health Minister said. Some 162 patients have recovered so far. The minister added on Twitter that 11,535 tests have been conducted on Monday, the highest since the start of the outbreak, bringing the total number of tests carried out in Turkey to 76,981 since the outbreak began, the health minister Fahrettin Koca said. If we talk about Dubai, on the other hand, the widening coronavirus pandemic could see Dubai property prices falling to levels last seen 10 years ago, according to S&P Global Ratings. We believe real estate prices are approaching levels seen at the bottom of the last cycle in 2010 and are even lower on an inflation-adjusted basis, and considering sales incentive for off-plan property, S&P Global Ratings said in a report. We also expect negative employment trends across some key factors such as tourism and retail, as well as for certain small and mid-sized enterprises, which could weigh on demand for new properties. Dubai may at some stage see widespread temporary closure of business, similar to that in other regions, or work stoppages, including at construction sites, which could lead to delays in future residential property deliveries, according to S&P.